Hi, my name is Heidi. I am the manager / owner of Local Glass. The business idea was really a lifelong dream of my husband, with having years and years of construction experience, but a passion for glass.
Back in 2016, I started with a enclosed Chevy van. Once you land the jobs and you get the jobs, I was able to purchase more items and just grow the business.
We tried several different accounting softwares. I actually went to training for several days and spent a lot of money. It just wasn't working out well for us, and I started looking. I found FreshBooks. They answered. They immediately sent me tutorials, and it was just the start of a great new relationship. Technology is not my go-to. I'm a paper and pencil girl. They were able to walk me through step by step in a language that I could understand, and that helped put me at ease. So I use FreshBooks to run our business. There are so many features in there that I love. The email that I get that says, hey, so-and-so paid their bill. Would you like to send them a thank you? And I can just do it right there. Sometimes my job is grueling, and when I turn on my computer and I open up FreshBooks, there is always the coolest motivational quote, thought, whatever have you. I mean, that's the only program that I open on my computer that makes me smile.